I will show you all the last week's trade I took, and yeah, so it was last week at the buy. Sorry, yeah, I took a buy, but the market entered selling British. So let me just quickly show you all. Right up. So let's see daily. So from daily, which one? I start from daily. So so as you also guys, there was a downtrend, but this level right here, it's the level I had in the previous past the market had about came back to retest and shoot up to the upside, the previous high, which is this one, So okay, the market will come here and most likely retest and shoot up again, So yesterday it's in the downtrend. So I went to the H4 and I marked it out my levels. As you can see, here's the market brought here, tried to retest, played and came it again, and all bottom, and the market shoot up, and yet again before coming, the market had to retest this level, which became resistant, and the market started to create lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, up until to this previous support level, So when I saw it, I decided, okay, let me enter a buy to our trend line, But I was early with the trade. Yeah, let me show you guys the H1. I said to in my trade on H1, and after entering, guys, that's quite easy. I forgot to set my stop loss and TP. And you guys know the story of not setting your stop loss or TP. So there was let me not say apparently, but there was CPI which I was unaware of, and I think you guys should know about me. I'm coming from the synthetic market, volatilities, boom, boom and crash there, So now it did hit my stop loss, and I was taken out, It happens to the best of us. Yeah. Right now the market is kind of playing out the way I predicted. Okay. I'm not trying to buy cheap anytime. No, what I'm looking at is Euro USD. Euro section. Let me show you guys Euro. No stick. No, I think it was UJ. British Canadian. Yeah, here it is. UJ. So I'm looking at UJ, and this I'm trying to see what UJ will be doing. Okay, as you can see, UJ has been so on the from on the it showed me uptrend. On the daily time frame, it is still showing me, it is showing me an uptrend. So H1. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing H1. So here you guys can see, as I said, the market likes to move. The market doesn't just move like that and come. No, it moves in higher high, lower high. The market moves in this form, creating levels. Because when the market just moves in one direction straight, you know, it won't make any sense. So it has to consolidate, or it has to be uptrend or downtrend. So I broke out this level, this resistance, and came back, You know, when it broke out here, it almost created sort of a support. It went up. Now, let you guys something. The market is creating some sort of a resistance here. You know, it felt resistant. Wait, let me just zoom in, guys. Okay. So the market went up until the previous resistance and came down and went up the test, shoot down, and it came to our previous sub, you know, and market again created a support whereby it was retesting, before it went to a buy, a bearish, sorry, in a bullish trend. So what I'm seeing here, guys, it's most likely gonna be doing something like this. Even if it breaks out of here, it will come back to retest here, and most likely shoot up. But anything is possible. I will see. I will keep you guys posted. And yeah, guys, that's it for today, guys. Do make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notification bell for more content. But guys, before I let guys go, last week I funded 500 on my demo account. I was using one of the best brokers, which is XNS. And create yourself an account and trade with me. And yeah, you might also get the same results as me. But guys, before you go live, never be rushed by anyone to go directly to your live account. Start with a demo if you have to. And even if you blow your account, go back to the demo. There's nothing wrong. It keeps you in the game. And when you get your money, then you just continue where you left it off. So yeah, guys, I'm trying to get or trying to master currencies a bit. This week I learned one or two. Every day you learn something new. This week I did learn that there is um news. I knew there was always news in the forex market, but I saw it, and what it does to your trade if you don't check your news, on a daily basis. What kind of a news? What kind of news will be there this week? And yeah, do your research, guys. Do your research. That's the word of the day. Do your research. And yeah, I did learn a lot from this past week, but I was not that actively trading. I only took one setup, and that's me. That's who I'm becoming. I don't want to force anything. Yet again, I don't want to really be in a place whereby I'm glued to the screen or I'm nursing my trade, or yeah, I really don't want to nurse my trades. So I just place my TB stop loss and let my plan do the thing. But this past week I did not place my stop loss or TB on my trade, and it costed me the whole 500 that I funded. But at the end of the day, it was a demo. Even if it's a demo, I have to place my stop loss and TB. Yeah, or monitor the trade after a few hours, because sometimes the stop loss and TB, the market takes out the stop loss and TBs.